How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over how to hook up our combo dual carbine warning and work light to our universal switch box. So for example here, I'm using our combo dual carbine 14-inch. Now in this unit, you will have warning and work light functionality. So to hook this up, I went ahead and ran my main power cables to my main power and ground here from my switch box, and then the ground cable from my light here to my main ground. And then I hooked up the red power cable, which will be the warning functionality of this light bar, to my A switch. So you'll see when I activate my A switch, my warning functionality will activate. And then I went ahead and hooked up the green power cable, which will activate my work light, to the B switch. So you'll see when I activate my B switch that I have my work light in there. And you can activate those independently. So if I only wanted to run my work light, I could run my work light only. Or if I wanted to run my warning functionality, I can run that on its own as well. So you'll see that you have that functionality, whether you want to activate your warning or your work light functionality separately or together. And then on the final switch here, I'll go ahead and turn off my work light. Now on the C switch here, this will be a momentary switch. So I took the yellow flash pattern cable and wired that to my C wire, and you'll see when I press my C switch that will change the flash pattern of my unit. So you'll see that you can activate your unit on or off with the warning and work light functionality, and then you can also change your flash patterns. And that is very easy to do with our universal switch boxes. Now I'm using our 3 switch box for example here, but this same process will work with our 4, 5, and 6 switch boxes as well. And then behind here I went ahead and brought a dual carbine 20-inch for example, and we offer our combo dual carbines in the 14 and 20-inch models. And we do have these available in amber, red, blue, green, and clear color combinations. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.